Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video I'm going to quickly go over New Zealand Swiss, why we're in the trade, and what we could look for if you're not in the trade. So essentially the strength and weakness table showed us that the New Zealand dollar is in that reversal situation. Now when I look at this, I like to see what other currencies are obviously strong. So if we look at pound Kiwi is maybe pushing to the upside. Pound's having a little bit of a dip today, and yesterday, but pound Kiwi may be having a little bit of a push to the upside. But essentially when I see this, I want to be looking for daily closes suggesting that the market could, any kind of Kiwi market could be finding some New Zealand dollar weakness. And last night when I looked through the charts, I was looking at Kiwi pairs in particular and noticed that Kiwi Swiss came and retested this structure high through here and rejected it basically, so it didn't want to make a new higher high, so it rallied through that previous high there, and then it closed all the way back down, forming a bearish engulfing candle. Now when price does things like that, it does suggest that maybe the buyers aren't quite in control here. We can see very low ranging daily candlesticks, nothing really great. If you wanted to look for buying pressure, you'd want to see these sort of momentum candlesticks. We don't have that here, so I thought it would be a good idea to short this market, place our stops above the highs, target these previous structure lows through here. But if you're not in this trade, how can you get in this trade? Now when the daily candlesticks are forming bearishness or bearish closes like this, I like to then look at the 4-hour trend and say to myself, where's the 4-hour support and resistance levels that the market is likely to test again in order to look for short positions. Now obviously my averages are looking for more bullish opportunities at the moment, but if I delete those, 1 second, we can look for the clear areas of support and resistance. Now if I look left, there's obviously an area here because the market has found resistance and support recently. So we want to be looking for potential for the market to come and retest this area to then look for short positions from here once again, because that would be in line with the trend. So we want the 4-hour really to start making lower highs and lower lows, and if the market does pull back into this zone, that's when we can dive into the likes of the hourly or the 15-minute and see if we do get any changes in our cycle here, where we can start looking for further shorting opportunities. But at the moment, daily closes are bearish, in line with our bias with the New Zealand dollar rolling over or being in that overbought condition, and then looking for targets just back at these swing lows. Obviously if the market breaks through those swing lows, then we can look for further shorting opportunities, but at the moment that is the next sort of area of support we can look to target. So keep an eye on this. I like Kiwi Swiss to the downside based off the strength and weakness table. And thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions or any charts that you want me to see covered this week, please leave me a comment below and I'll get onto it. Thank you.